Okay, good morning. I'm Rachel Myers from Ammons Chiropractic, and I wanted to share with you guys something that never gets old to me. I have been doing this for over 15 years, and I got my atlas adjusted yesterday. I had slept in a comfy, cozy hooded sweatshirt, and it got all bunched up back here, and I woke up, and for weeks, I went with constant headache, just an ice pick in my head. I couldn't turn my head to the left very well at all. I can now. And so it was kind of affecting my driving, and I just I couldn't look down. Guess what I do all day? I look down, and I was just in pain and exhausted and felt terrible. Got my atlas adjusted, that first little bone in the neck, and immediately, not like it took time, but immediately my neck felt better. I had a rush of blood to my head. I felt like I could breathe better. So I want to encourage you guys, get adjusted, get that atlas checked. I know I'm not the only one, and you don't have to live with pain and feel so crummy, which a lot of people just think that's what happens. That doesn't have to be. Get your spine checked. That's coming from Dr. Myers. Okay, have a good day, guys.